Just about every homeowner knows you need to water your lawn regularly, but it's actually possible to overwater your lawn even with the summer heat. When you water your lawn too much, you're making your grass more vulnerable to fungal growth or catching a disease. Some homeowners can look at discolored patches of grass and think more water will even out the color, only to be surprised the next day when the patches have grown in size. Too much water will turn any lawn patchy with disease, so in this video, we'll go over what it can look like if you water your lawn too much in the summer, and how to actually water your lawn properly. You can save on pest control with DIY products and do it fast with free same-day shipping from Solutions Pest and Lawn. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about lawn care, click the icon in the top right of the screen or click the link in the description below. A healthy lawn is a uniform green color, so we know something is off when we start to see otherwise. Over a hot summer, small patches of discolored grass can form in what seems to be healthy turf, but an inspection is often needed to determine its cause. Often, smaller, lighter patches can indicate abundant heat stress the grass is put under. However, these could also be due to an overabundant amount of water. To find out if you're overwatering your lawn, you can take a closer look at the grass blades where the grass is discolored. Lawn diseases like leaf spot or melting out will cause your grass to form lesions. These lesions can look like yellowed or bleached spots with brown edges, and they're often soft, flexible, and spongy. If your lawn is developing rust, your grass will be covered with a rusty brown or orange residue. If mushrooms are growing in your lawn, then that's a sure sign of fungal development and overwatering. You can also check for overwatering if the soil feels soaked or spongy when stepping on it, or if you've noticed more weeds or insects around your lawn. Some weeds like crabgrass or insects like mosquitoes thrive with standing water and puddle formation. If fungus or disease has set into your lawn, you'll first need to get rid of it with a fungicide that's labeled for your specific fungus or lawn disease. For most fungi and lawn diseases, we recommend you use Patch Pro Fungicide. Patch Pro is a systemic fungicide that contains the active ingredient propiconazole and is designed to get rid of a broad spectrum of harmful and unsightly diseases on plants and lawns. Patch Pro controls many fungi and diseases such as brown patch, powdery mildew, and blight. If you're actively dealing with a lawn fungus or disease, you'll apply your pesticide directly to affected areas. With Patch Pro, you can also use it preventatively and broadcast it over your entire lawn as well. Figure out how much square footage you're treating by measuring the length and width of an area you wish to treat and multiplying them together. If you're treating multiple separate areas, get the square footage of each and add them together. You'll use this to determine how much product you'll be using. Depending on the disease you're treating, you'll mix Patch Pro at a rate between 0.5 and 4 whole fluid ounces per 1,000 square feet. Be sure to double check the product's label for the correct application rate to treat the disease or fungus your lawn has. We recommend you use a 20-gallon hose end sprayer since it can be used to easily cover large areas of turf and output large amounts of water. To mix your product, remove the reservoir from the nozzle. Make sure the sprayer's control valve and your water pump are off, then attach the nozzle to the hose. Add the proper amount of Patch Pro, then add the proper amount of water. The product will mix with the water and create an even emulsion. Double check to make sure your control valve and water pump are still off, then reattach the reservoir to the nozzle. Once you've ensured a tight connection, you can now turn the water on. To spray, push forward on the control valve. To stop, simply pull the valve back into the off position. You can apply Patch Pro over areas affected by fungi or lawn disease or as a broadcast application over your entire lawn, making sure to evenly distribute the entire amount of spray dilution. Keep an eye on the product's level in the reservoir and keep your pace consistent. Depending on the severity of your disease, you may need to reapply your fungicide until you stop seeing the presence of the fungus. Reapply at 7 to 14-day intervals 2 or more times to achieve complete control of the target fungus or disease. For preventative applications, Patch Pro has a residual of 30 days, so you only need to apply monthly for year-round suppression and control. After you've treated your lawn for fungus or disease development, you'll need to adopt a proper watering schedule so your grass can grow strong and healthy. Your lawn will need about 1 inch of water every week, including rainfall. You can distribute that water over the course of up to 3 days during the week, though we recommend you apply that water in 1 day. Just don't water your lawn every day, as that will create a shallow root zone with weaker roots. We also recommend you water your lawn deeply in the morning before temperatures rise for the day. This will give the water time to soak into the soil and be absorbed by the roots before the summer heat can evaporate it. If there's rain forecast for the week, go ahead and let Mother Nature do the work. You can measure the amount of rainfall your lawn will receive by setting up a rain gauge. If you're concerned about the rain overwatering your lawn, you can alleviate the stress your turf takes on by ensuring your lawn has the proper drainage. Regularly rake and dethatch your lawn to improve air circulation. If your soil is compact, certain cultural practices like core aeration can loosen it up and also improve airflow. If your lawn sees plenty of tree shade, trim back the overhanging branches to allow more sunlight and improve water evaporation. While your grass needs water during the summer, it's possible to overwater your lawn and make it vulnerable to fungus and disease. If your lawn is overtaken by large patches of discolored turf, remember with these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop fungus and lawn disease from developing on your turf, and we offer same-day shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos, and contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.